Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to Succumb's Garage. Now in this video I'm going to be installing this blowoff valve on my Acura RDX right behind me. It's been a long time coming, but I think it deserves a little bit of an upgrade, right? Yes, let's do it. So guys, you'll have to excuse me if I started sniffing throughout this video because it's a little cold out here today. So I did pick this up right here, part numbers right here. It is for a Mazda, but it all works the same way. I did pick up a new PVC hosing. The ID on here is about 1/4 inch. Got me 2 little small clamps because I'm not sure if I'm going to actually use the old one. I might not, I don't know. Let's take a look at what we got inside. Right. Got your little sticker here. Got a bigger clamp. And we get the blowoff valve itself with a gray gasket that sits in between. It is a, what is this? It's a dual it's a compact dual port made by turbosmart. Let's just go ahead and actually here's some more accessories. Some washers, I believe, and spacers, and there is a cap fitting up here for some kind of cap. Okay, I see what it's for. Okay, all right. Pretty sure I'm not gonna need that, but we'll find out. Okay, as you can see here, we got that PVC pipe hose that comes right here. This one is actually a lot bigger, so it won't fit that compact that I have. And it's got two 10 mil right here, one there, 2 clamps here, and after that comes right out. Let's go ahead and unplug this too. Oh, why is that so difficult? Okay. Oops. Spin the right way and it won't be like that. Ah. Yeah, I don't know what a torque spec is, but it's snug enough. So this compact turbosmart, the dual port right here, it is an adjustable blow-off valve. Per the instruction off their website, what you have to do here is you have to make sure that that piston right there is not floating or moving freely. So that's why it came with all these spacers or washers, whatever you want to call them. What you want to do is make it as tight as possible. Start your engine up, let it idle, and if it starts bouncing up and down, then you want to put some spacers. Well, actually what you want to do here is, you see how you have soft and under here is hard. What you want to do here is you want to turn this to the hardest position, to the hardened position, which is all the way down. And then you want to look at the piston to make sure that it's not moving or floating. If it's moving or floating, then you want to add more shims, which is what it came with, and put it back down, start the engine up, make sure it's not moving. So the more shims you put, it should prevent it from moving up and floating or floating up and down. After that, you want to turn it the other way around to the softer position, all the way max to the, well, you want to max it out to where you can see the gasket. That's how you know it's at the softest position. Once you have that, you're supposed to rev your engine and see how it idles. If it stalls on you, you want to make it harder. You want to adjust this to where your idle meets at the idle position after you rev it, if that makes any sense. Like, for example, if you're revving it really hard, it's supposed to drop down and become normal at the idle position. And I did all the adjustment already off camera, I just forgot to record it, but it is done. So now we can go ahead and go for the test drive. Luckily, it's small enough to fit this cover back on. Oh, my fingernail. It hurts. There we go. Nice and hidden from the wife. I think it's time to go for a test drive. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button for me. It would help me out a lot in the YouTube algorithm. You can always find my video like at the very top spot if you guys do smash that like button. Also, if you are an owner of the first generation RDX and you're considering doing one of these upgrades, I hope this video is helpful to you. If you do like contents like this, go ahead and consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you a thing. It's free. Until then, guys, I'll see you next time.